like that. That's done.
Hush my dog, I just survival, there's no my G. I just survival dog. You know like man evil but man have to eat food brother. And this a man food, you are food for me, you see? So just understand bro. I pray me, God now will see me because you in that's why he make you. You see me? Yeah man. Yo, I know you alone again. You see a friend them here? We are wait for you too. You see me? You. Oi, you. I'm gonna get fucked. An idea. Yeah man. All I wanna get fucked. I'm gonna get fucked. I swear. You want let me show you what I'm to your friend. May I show you what I'm to your friend? Look what I'm to your friend. Look. Just look. Look, you see what happened to your friend? That's you next. That's you next. Alright, watch out now. Doorbell. Hush. Doorbell. Aye? Hush. Hush, hush, my G. Hush, hush, hush. Your time. Next in line. Yo, you want another witness? Witness! Suspect! Suspect in yourself, worry. I wonder. I wish one of my friend them next. So watch out. What now, no? Push up, who forget it next? Who forget it next? Suspect. Who forget it next? When you say him, you see you a killer. You a killer. The dog touch him and say, yo, that pussy there. Boy, fuck me girl already, you know. Yeah. Forward the G. Push. Next in line. Next in blood clot line. Yeah man, load that man. Muscle reflex. Fresh. Reacting. I'm still a react. You know what I want in a film head dog? I'm gonna tell you what I want in a dog head right now. Although it cut in a two, the dog I wonder what just happened to me. Something just happened but him can't really come to check what really happened.